Hello everyone and welcome to Arjun Programming. In this video, you're gonna learn how to use Rust for your first time. And before you start, you might want to watch some other other tutorials because I won't be explaining what a variable is or a function. And to install Rust, you're gonna go to rust-learn.org/learn/get started. And then if you scroll down a little, you're gonna find a command, and then you're gonna copy it and then paste it into your terminal or command prompt. And then once you get in where you're gonna make your file, you're gonna make a new file called main.rs. You can, instead of the main, you can do whatever you want. It can be main still though, but make sure the .rs is still at the end. And then you're gonna type fn main, opening and closing parenthesis, opening and closing curly brackets, then print ln exclamation mark, opening and closing parenthesis, and then double quote, hello, and then but you can also put whatever you want inside of the double quotes, and that's what it's gonna say. And then at the end of the line, you're gonna type a semicolon. And then to run your file, you're gonna type rustc space main.rs, and then I actually forgot to go to the right directory. And then you're gonna actually put and then you're gonna type /main.rs. Or it's actually main, just main. And why main is actually a file is because when you ran rustc, it generated a binary file called main, which we're not going to look at that. And that's it for the video, and see you in the next one.